Hello guys, and welcome back to another video here today. So in today's video I've got another exciting video, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys how you can make money on Instagram selling ebooks or even digital products in general. Okay, so if you're someone out there who wants to make money on Instagram, then you better stay tuned and watch this video till the end. So in order to get started with the strategy, you want to head over to www.fpire.com. Okay, so I hope you guys are following the steps as we go along, because I really want you guys to be implementing the strategies as we go along, or take notes at least, okay, and do it later. So you want to head over to www.fpire.com. okay, and when you head over to funnelpire.com, you're going to see a section that says resale right ebooks. Okay, you want to click on the resale right ebooks in the menu section, and it's going to bring up a bunch of different ebooks around different niches. So these are ebook bundles that have already been created by other people out there, other experienced copywriters out there, and they are now giving you the full rights to resell as your own, set your own prices, put your name as the author if you want to, and keep 100% profits. Okay, so let me talk a little bit about resale rights. So resale right ebooks are basically books that other people have written and that you are legally allowed to resell as your own and keep 100% profit. So all the stuff is legal, guys. Okay, so you're literally purchasing the resale licenses to those products that have already been pre-created by other people, granting you permission to go out there and rebrand it. You can sell it on your website, you can sell it literally on as many platforms as possible, and set your own prices and keep 100% profits. Okay, there's resale right products around so many different niches out there, from health and wellness to weight loss to keto diets to fitness, bodybuilding, cryptocurrency, credit repair, bookkeeping, drop shipping, affiliate marketing, dating and relationships, leadership skills. So many things out there, guys, that you can tap into. Branding, like I could go on and on about all the different niches, but you guys can definitely check out funnelpire.com and you'll see all the different products there on the website. Okay, and all those ebooks, guys, come in a bundle of around 4 to 5 books. So for every bundle you're going to get 4 to 5 different books that you can sell separately, or you can sell as a bundle. Up to you how much you want to charge for those products and how you want to go about selling them. Okay, so when you purchase a kit, you'll be able to download all those products and resell them as your own. You can go in and edit the content, change the ebook cover, putting yourself as the author and reselling it to your own clients at your own price and keeping 100% profit. Okay, so once you purchase an ebook kit in the niche of your choice, you want to head over to www.gumroad.com, and then you want to register for a free account and upload your products for sale. Now Gumroad is a platform that a lot of people don't talk about it, but a lot of people are making a killing on Gumroad right now. This is a great platform, guys, to sell your ebooks and even your online courses. Okay, so head over to Gumroad, upload your ebooks on Gumroad, set the prices for your ebooks, guys. Okay, and then you're going to be able to get your own shop and your own links and all that good stuff that you can then go out there and start sending to your customers and your clients to purchase from you. Okay, so once you register for a Gumroad account and you upload your books for sale, you'll be able to get the links for your customers to purchase that book via your link. Okay, so now you have your ebook out there on Gumroad. The next thing, of course, is to bring more and more people to your shop. So the best way to do this, guys, is using your Instagram account. So what you want to do, guys, is make sure that in your Instagram account, in the link in your bio, you have the link to your Gumroad shop or your Gumroad products. Okay, so every time somebody comes to your profile and they go to the link in your bio and they purchase, you make some money. And your job moving forward, guys, is to create as much valuable content on Instagram as possible. We're not going to be using Instagram to try and sell ebooks every single day. What you're going to be doing is promoting your products, but using attraction marketing, where you create content that attracts people to you and consequently gets them to want to purchase from you. It's kind of like selling without selling. Okay, and the best way to do this is offer people value. Thank God for Instagram Reels. Now you can create entertainment content and essentially get people to purchase your products. So when you're creating entertainment content, let's say for example you're in the weight loss niche, you could actually create an entertainment content just dancing, or how to dance to lose weight, 5 ways to lose weight, you know, just entertainment content. So when people start seeing your reels, they're gonna come to your profile and check you out, and when they realize that you have some amazing weight loss ebooks, guess what's gonna happen? They're gonna click on the link in your bio, go to your Gumroad shop and buy some products from you. It's that simple. Okay, when you give people value, they feel the need to give you back. The more you give, the more you get back. Okay, so I hope you guys found this video useful with regards to making money on Instagram selling ebooks, and if you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.